twisted-tusked female called Angelina. She is pregnant, carrying the next generation. But she can't raise her calf alone. She will need the strength and support of her family. Can Angelina bring them all together for the first crucial year of her baby's life? This morning, Angelina's family are tightly gathered around her. And this is why. A son. This is Atlas, taking his very first steps in a world of giants. All new calves are wobbly on their feet and born barely able to see. Working out who's mum can take a bit of time. A little gentle guidance from Angelina, and Atlas can finally take his first feed of milk.